Over the weekend, some engineering students at the University of Maine showed hard proof of what they have learned, and they showed how textbook lessons can be put to practical use. Janet Smith has our story.
They are called human-powered all-terrain vehicles, designed by mechanical engineering technology students at the University of Maine. The goal, to design and build a vehicle for an accident victim who has no use of their hands and no balance. After weeks of work, this was the day to see if the machines would work. A short obstacle course was one of the tests. The course was easy for some, harder for others. But every vehicle and driver had the toughest time pulling this 50-pound weight.
One more foot. Good now. That was broken. We gotta go fix it again.
Bob, was that the longest 10 feet you've ever been across?
At least, yes.
How was that race? I mean, everybody seems to do very well up until...
Well, it was great up until they put that thing on the back. No, you beat the other.
As the students put their machines through their paces, Mike Noyes looked on. Noyes has no arms. He has advised the students throughout the building process. Noyes says the students have made some very functional vehicles this year.
I think this is a good indication of how functional they are, putting them through different tests like this, coming down the stairs, going through the trees, and going on the cross-country portion of it. I think that gives a real good indication of just how these folks have worked to make these machines and design these machines to be functional and to be useful for people with upper extremity disabilities.
One of the most important portions of the competition is the brake test. The idea is to race down this hill and stop between these two lines. Sounds simple, but is it? The competition is entertaining for spectators, but for these students, it's a learning experience, a way to prove to themselves that they can build a machine to help the handicapped, and a way to prove that the hours of studying are worthwhile. In Orono, Janet Smith, News Center.
Life sometimes teaches some hard lessons, doesn't it?
Sure does.
Yeah.
Some of that can be painful, too.
Yeah, I would say so. But maybe there's, who knows, maybe somebody will invent something out of that experiment that'll do great things someday.
Could be an idea whose time has come.
Maybe.
That brings you up